Concrete work involves the use of concrete, a versatile and durable construction material composed of cement, water, and aggregates, such as sand, gravel, or crushed stone. Concrete pour crew refers to a specialized team responsible for the process of pouring and placing concrete. This team plays a crucial role in ensuring the successful execution of concrete work. Constructing a concrete house involves using concrete for the foundation, walls, structural components, and even roofing, providing durability, resistance to weather and pests, and energy efficiency. Concrete houses provide not only a secure and stable shelter, but also energy efficiency through innovative techniques like insulating concrete forms. Beyond practicality, the aesthetic possibilities, from decorative finishes to architectural creativity, showcase the adaptability of concrete in creating homes that are both enduring and visually appealing. Floating concrete stairs represent a harmonious fusion of functionality and aesthetics in architectural design. These stairs, seemingly suspended in mid-air, showcase the incredible strength and versatility of concrete. Concrete 3D printed homes revolutionize the construction industry by merging cutting-edge technology with sustainable housing solutions. These homes are crafted layer by layer, showcasing the precision and efficiency of 3D printing while utilizing concrete as a durable and cost-effective building material. Beyond efficiency, 3D printed concrete homes allow for intricate designs, pushing the boundaries of architectural creativity.